Today we face like a growing paradox between housing and households. Housing is becoming more and more standardized and rigid, while household society is becoming more and more dynamic and diverse. So they cannot fit in the standardized apartment. So what we did is we analyzed all the different needs for all the different households in society, and we made apartments that adapt to them. We have 10 principles for adaptability. For example, divisible apartments, super adaptable 2-bedroom apartment, plus typologies that they really adapt the surface to the real needs of people. In one hand, this is a major social achievement because you adapt housing to people instead of people to housing. And second, at the end, it has even a positive impact in sustainability because you are not building more than what you need, but also to the housing crisis because you reduce the pressure in new housing when you manage that the current housing is resilient enough to accommodate to the needs of tomorrow.